Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn about how to delete Snapchat account on iPhone in 2024. So deleting your account is just a straightforward process, but it is essential to follow the steps correctly to ensure that your data is removed. So for us to be able to get started, you'll just need to log in first onto your Snapchat account. And then once you're already in, you'll just need to click onto the upper left corner of the screen. There is your profile icon in there. Now, right after you click onto that, onto its upper right, there is a settings icon, which is the gear one. Click onto that, and then you should get redirected onto the settings of your Snapchat. So you'll just need to scroll down until you could see account actions. And inside account action, we could see in there the account deletion. So click onto delete account. And then right after, it will ask you to log in onto your Snapchat account. So type in your username or email, and then right after, click on to next. It is time to add your password as well. Click on to next, and then right after, you should be able to see already the terms onto what will happen if you delete your account. So you should be able to read through the details in there to ensure that you have gathered all the right information that are needed to delete your account. Once done, just type in your username and password again, click on continue, and then you should be able to get the message that your account has been deactivated already. So you should be able to see also the message in there that in 30 days, your account will be permanently deactivated. So you'll still have 30 days to restore your account if you want to go ahead and try to use it back again. To delete it permanently, you'll just leave it as it is up until 30 days and it should remove your account permanently. And that's just basically it onto how to permanently delete your Snapchat account on iPhone. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.